Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to mix songs in Instagram Reels. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So the first thing would be is to open your Instagram and then start creating a reel. So here after we click on creation panel, we can use the camera so you can start creating content. So I'm just going to click on this one and click on next. So basically now we will be needing to start adding and mixing songs. So here we will find this panel and all we need to do is just to click on add a song or edit video. And basically this is the edition and we can find caption etc. But we want to go back and now we will need just to add a song to our video. So let's just go back and from here I'm just going to click on next and I'm going to explore audio. I'm just going to add and basically you can add any audio here and I'm just going to click on this one and add it. So I'm just going to click on add and you can also start going to the voices and start adding another music for example here and you can do it like that and you can go now to the editing panel or here and you can start seeing the timeline and I'm just going to click on here and you can start uh, clicking on transition. You can add transition to your songs and you can see you can choose any songs that you would like, shorten them, add any other voices. You can start having whatever you like from the video and also you can hear in the audio change video and you can start adding voiceover. You can start adding some audio and basically you can choose whatever you like and start adding them, etc. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.